No box jobs with door fobs and guys like you with fancy cars and cocktail bars that forget to tip as they take a sip, and with every bit I feel the dirty napkin they dropped on the floor crumple in my fist. It has become apparent that you are not useful, and it has become redundant. The paperwork you've been filing, and now you realize that there is a man at the top, and it's not you. Now you realize that it is all not real. And if you don't pay the rent and all your money is spent, will they come and get you? I don't know. Do you know? And there's an overwhelming presence of a hand over your head. Yeah, there's a big dark shadow over your bed. It has become apparent that you are not useful, and it has become redundant. The paperwork you've been filing, and now you realize that there is a man at the top, and it's not you. Now you realize that it is all not real. Pinstripe suits in Chelsea boots, silver tie pins with matching cufflinks. Sit on the tube while you read the news. Car declining, perfect timing, sniffing cheap coke on the weekend. You hit your peak at 17 and you've got all the gear but no idea. Morning march, a glass of scotch. You're a bad boy, you're a big flirt. Vodka, lemon, soda on your t-shirt. You got a shit roast tattoo on your right hand, but your mummy's been asking where you've been, and it has become apparent that you are not useful, and it has become redundant. The paperwork you've been filing, and now you realize that there is a man at the top, and it's not you. Now you realize that it is all not real. I'll try again. That's a nice fade, where'd you get it from? Same place as every other Jack, Luke and Tom. You think you're sick cause you're paid to sit in VIP, but the number on the cash machine says RIP. Smash your iPhone and it's got no warranty, and your girlfriend would rather dance with me. I said your girlfriend would rather dance with me. Dance with me, dance with me, dance with me.